I run the engineering department where I have a 60-strong team of multidisciplined engineers consisting of electronic, hardware, mechanical engineers and software engineers. For graduates, it's a great time to be in the electronics field on automotive, because with the field advancing and higher technology in vehicles, there's lots of opportunities for developing what engineers do best, and that's high technology electronics. In terms of electronics, so you've got the autonomous systems, cameras, ADAS systems coming into cars, all the infotainment, the single screens, touch screens that come into cars, advanced climate control and connected car systems that are coming in, so the car can link to other cars or can link to the home. Generally, if we're looking for taking graduates on at Pektron, I'd be looking to see what they've done as a final year project, how relevant it'd be and how much work they've put into it, and whether they've got any sort of hobbies in electronics at home, whether they're doing work with Arduinos or Raspberry Pis or any sort of proto board work at home. One of the best personal attributes an engineer can have in this landscape today is a thirst for ever learning new things and striving to stay with advancing technology. In a small business, one of the best things you can have is exposure to the full product life cycle. In a bigger company, you might only be doing part of a project or part of a design. Here you go everything from the quotation through to the full design, the manufacture, the validation, the testing, etc., and full customer interaction throughout. And for example, I've got teams of engineers who go abroad testing cars at circuits. I'd advise students who are looking for opportunities in smaller businesses to look at the IET, because they've put partnerships in place with the Enterprise Partnership Scheme with small, medium enterprise businesses, and they have links with Nottingham University.